Number 81. Net lease. A lease, usually commercial, whereby the lessee pays not only the rent for occupancy, but also pays maintenance and operating expenses, such as tax, insurance, utilities, and repairs. Thus, the rent paid is net to the lessor. Net listing, number 82. A net listing is technically not a type of listing agreement at all. In a net listing, an owner sets a minimum amount that he or she wants to receive from the sale of the property and lets the broker have as commission any amount above the set minimum. Number 83. Notice to quit. A written notice given by a landlord to his tenant stating that the landlord intends to regain possession of the leased premises and that the tenant is required to quit and remove himself from the premises either at the end of the lease term or immediately if there is a breach of lease or if the tenancy is at will or by sufferance. Sometimes refers to the notice given by the tenant to the landlord that he intends to give up possession on a stated day. 84. Open listing. A listing given to any number of brokers. The first broker who secures a buyer ready, willing, and able to purchase at the terms of the listing is the one who earns the commission. Number 85. Open mortgage. An open mortgage provides the flexibility of being able to repay all of your mortgage at any time during the term without paying a prepayment charge. The interest rate on an open mortgage is often higher than the interest rate on a closed mortgage. Number 86. Option. An agreement to keep open over a set period. An offer to sell or purchase property. Number 87. Ordinance. A piece of legislation enacted by a municipal authority. Number 88. Ownership. Legal right to use, possess, and give away a thing. Ownership can be tangible such as personal property and land, or it can be of intangible things such as intellectual property rights. 89. Pacto de retro sale. The failure of the vendee a retro to repurchase the property vests upon the latter by operation of law the absolute title and ownership over the property sold. Pacto commissorium or lei commissoria is nothing more than a condition subsequent of the contract of purchase and sale. Percentage lease, number 91. A lease whose rental is based on a percentage of the monthly or annual gross sales made on the premises. Number 92. Personal property. Things which are tangible and movable. Property which is not classified as real property, chattels, or personality. Number 93. Plans and specification. House plans are a set of scaled drawings that show contractors what they are building. Your specifications or specs are a written document that details what materials will be used and how to install things. Number 94. Plottage. The merging or consolidating of adjacent lots into one larger lot, with the consequent result of improved usability and increased value, also called as assemblage. Number 95. Police power. The constitutional authority and inherent power of a state to adapt and enforce laws and regulations to promote and support the public health, safety, morals, and general welfare. Number 96. Power of attorney. A written instrument authorizing a person, the attorney in fact, to act as the agent on behalf of another to the extent indicated in the instrument. Number 97. Prepayment clause. States that a penalty will be assessed if the borrower significantly pays down or pays off the mortgage, usually within the first 5 years of the loan. Prepayment penalties serve as protection for lenders against losing interest income. Number 98. Prescription. The acquiring of a right in property, usually in the form of an intangible property right, such as an easement or right of way, by means of adverse use of property that is continuous and uninterrupted for the prescription period. Number 99, probate. The formal judicial proceeding to prove or confirm the validity of a will. The will is presented to the probate court, and creditors and interested parties are notified to present their claims or to show cause why the provisions of the will should not be enforced by the court. Number 100, escrow. The process by which money and or documents are held by a disinterested third person, a stakeholder, until the satisfaction of the terms and conditions of the escrow instructions as prepared by the parties to the escrow.